Okay, these silicone oven mitts are pretty good. They seem pretty small though. A lot of people are concerned about them being so small and so thin. I was too. I mean, look, I can, they're thin. They are very thin. But I tried this out. It's 350 degrees. And I'm going to do this one-handed so I could film this. I'm going to open this up, and you can see that it's, I'm going to pull on the rack. Oh, you can see that? I'm still holding. You can see that this is boiling. No, it's really okay. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to close this back up. Close the oven. Still 350 in there. You can see it's still sizzling. And my hand, I can lift this up. It's fine. I can feel a little warmth right now. If you were to hold it for, say, 30 seconds, it might be too long. But how long do we really hold things for? We get things out of the oven, maybe 15 seconds at the most. They're good. I like these for the price and for storage, because they're a lot smaller than the other ones that are on the market, and because they can go in the dishwasher too. I would say get some. I like them.